Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Lucky Trader. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Today we will show the live trade on Bank Nifty Expiry. How we hold the trade until the end. So we'll explain the details on charts. Going to the chart of 55 minutes of Bank Nifty today of expiry day, then we found one good pattern on charts on 5 minutes. It is now you are seeing this the two lines above and bottom, which is called as a rising wedge. Which rising wedge, if it is forms, then the market, if broken down by a down line, then a market may fall. This is the fundamental below of this rising now wedge. Trade behind now the logic is this rising wedge form, and afterwards it broken down in the bottom side. Now afterwards there is some light retracement was shown. So I have taken opportunity on this particular zone. So whenever the price touches in the again touches bottom line, then I have taken a PE call, 36,600 PE. So let's see what will happen. I have kept my stop loss also. If it hits my stop loss, then 30 to 40 points I will lose my capital. Okay, it's now it's showing that now it's showing that say 1400 profit, now 1700 profit it's going on. So one call I have taken, that which was squared off. So only I am holding one 36,600 PE level. Profits will increase and decrease. We should not bother on this. If you are strong in technicals, then trust on technicals and leave it the trade. Then only we will get good profits. Otherwise we'll always fear on trades. So according to that, we should have to work on trading daily basis. So now it is showing the profit of 5,000. Let's see how much I will take from market today. Because the pattern which I have saw in the charts, which is very strong, but today the market volatility is very high. It was opened at it was opened very high in the top level. Gap up was happened, so there is no chance to buy at any level in the morning. So also today is the expiry day, so we should have to plan very carefully. Otherwise the premium decay is very high. So you people understand very well, because the expiry after 1 o'clock, it will be drastically down. So see the pattern which showing here, that very much clearly it is showing that it is a rising wedge pattern. So I expecting market to go down from 1 2 3 points, but we should not stay up to 2 300 points below. So we'll square off whenever the profit, decent profit was shown from our side. Okay, let's watch. Now the profit is going at 7,000 level, 6,500, 7,300. Its profit will be goes like this only, so we'll not panic on this. So anyway, we will book profit today. We will not book any loss after seeing these figures. So if people, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press a bell icon, so that you will get more interesting videos in upcoming days. um, See, still it is in the week trend only. Still it is showing in the week trend. I also clearly told that weekly analysis on my last 3 4 days back. If you are not watched that video, then please watch. I given the levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty for a weekly expiry. So same level the Nifty was placed, and the Bank Nifty also 36,000 level, 36,600 level was holding now. So this is please watch that video. And see now, still it is in a week. um, if it goes up, then we will book profit. Okay friends, now it is showing 7,000 profit, 7,800, 8,000 and 9,000, 10,000. So I think that market is some taking support we have to see if just if any green candle shows on the charts, then we'll square off the positions. Otherwise we'll lose our profits. As per today volatility shown in the morning session, then it's a huge volatility, and the profit will be decreased very drastically. So let's see if any green candle shows, then we'll take quick profits. So now see, now the profit was decreased by 6,000, 6,000, 7,000, same the levels, same levels it is showing here. So see, we'll see. Okay friends, now the profit is showing 12,000, 11,000. So maybe we should have to book profit at this but at this level, otherwise the profit will be decreased again. So see, actually this is the technicals how it will works. Okay, now we'll square off the positions. Otherwise our profit will be decreased. So see, it is not showing any green candle. If green candle shows, then our profit will be decreased. Otherwise so we'll book now, afterwards we'll talk. If we not book, then will more greedy, otherwise so the profit will decrease. So now we booked at 7,900 profit today. So if you like this video, please give thumbs up and make your comments on comment box. Thank you so much.